Hello little minions, it's me, Beau. Today, we are going to put some windshield wiper blades on our Toyota Tundra. Now first of all, when you get these windshield wiper blades from Amazon, the best practice is to get a tape measure, measure your existing one, if in fact they actually work. So in my case, these are 18 inches long, and you're going to measure your windshield wiper blades that you got, because yes, although you probably did your research and Amazon claims that it will fit your vehicle, you just want to double check before you put them on your car, because you're going to feel really bad if you go through this whole installation process and you turn on your windshield wiper blades and they end up hitting up against each other. The first step is obviously to remove your old windshield wiper blades. You might have a little tab back here behind the fish hook. Just picture it like this. Sometimes there's a little tab under here. More often than not, you can just kind of give it a little love and it'll pop off just fine. Then you're going to get your replacement Rain-X blades, and this little thing pops up like that. You might even have to use a little coin to dig under there, but this is supposed to pop up like so. And then that corresponds to the fish hook right in here. If it doesn't snap down all the way, really make sure that that fish hook is seated. There it goes. Now let's see if it clips down. Now it clips. And you are good to go. Hopefully this helps to determine whether or not these are right for you. My name is Beau.